everybody! So today I am wearing pajamas. What else is new? Student life. So anyway, I'm sure you guys don't care what I'm wearing. Let's just get into what this video is about. So I ordered some stuff off of Wish. I decided to go with makeup just out of curiosity. Now I'm not the kind of person that would normally wear makeup. This is kind of my everyday look. Like, this isn't me wearing no makeup, this is just me, you know? So I would probably never spend any more than a couple dollars on it. Like, I'm saying like $10 max for a mascara at like the drugstore. But anyway, I have ordered some cheap makeup off of Wish, and so I'm going to go through it today and see how it works and see if it's worth the $1 I spent per item. Alright, so here are all of my packages that came in the mail from Wish. I just kind of scrolled through and picked out some types of makeup that I thought looked nice. Now, I didn't include any face makeup because I've never worn face makeup. It just wouldn't make sense to even buy or try because I don't even know how to put it on. So I'm going to give you the truth about Wish. And it's just based on the stuff that I ordered. I'm sure other people's experiences are different. Maybe certain items come faster than others. So for what I ordered them in July, and I didn't get anything until at least 1 month from then, and the final item came, I would say, about 2 months after I ordered, so it did take a really long time to get here. But the good thing is they give you an estimated shipping date, and if it doesn't arrive by that time, you can basically get a refund on all your items. So I actually did get refunded on every single one of these items. None of them came by the date they said, which was within about 2 weeks. They were originally $2 each with $2 shipping for most of the items I picked, and I ended up getting refunded at least $3 on each, so I would say that they ended up charging me overall about $1 per item, which I'm fine with spending, especially for the purpose of just testing them out, seeing how they work. So without further ado, I'm gonna start opening packages. Okay, so I've been waiting months to open these because I ordered them in, like I said, in July. I got most of them by September, and now it's November. I just haven't bothered opening them, but I ended up ordering 6 different things and I only got 5 of them. So okay, so this first one here, I don't even remember what I ordered, so this is what it looks like. It says glitter liquid liner. Okay, I do have something similar to this that I like, so I thought I would just order one here and see how it works. So the second item here, ooh, it's almost like Christmas. I'm opening things that I don't remember. Duo matte lipstick. So I picked 2 different colors because I actually never wear lipstick. I always find it gets on my teeth. I'm self-conscious of it getting on my teeth. So anyway, I thought I want to try to start wearing more lipstick, and what better way to start than with cheap, shitty ones shipped from China. Okay, so this is the lipstick itself. It isn't a whole lot, but did I just break it? Oh my fucking god, I broke it. Okay, so this one is like a darker red. So the first one was kind of like more pinkish. Okay, so the next package I have here is kind of a bigger one. So this is just like the basic eyeshadow palette. I think it might just be like the most basic one if you just search eyeshadow palettes on Wish. So it has a little brush here, and then here is the eyeshadow palette itself. Okay, alright, it actually came in one piece. I did watch some kind of Wish unboxings, and a lot of people found that the palettes they got, the individual colors would be popped out or like cracked, but mine actually came intact. It was wrapped up quite a bit. So there it is. It's just a bunch of tiny, tiny shades, like my finger could fit in each one. So it's decent size for me because I'm, like I said, never really wear makeup. So if I just had this tiny little one that I can kind of take on the go, it's like a travel size. Alright, so the next thing I have here, I think it's mascara. Max Volume Mascara. The packaging, it's like a little kitty cat. Little kitty cat. Oh my god, my dog is looking at me when I said kitty cat because we just got a cat and it's his first time seeing one in a really long time, and the first time he's actually had one living in the same space as him. So he is excited by the words kitty cat. So here's a little kitty. I think I literally just chose this because of the packaging. Alright, so the last thing I got. Okay, so this is something actually that I thought seemed pretty interesting to try. So it's a magic eyeliner and seal eyeliner. Okay, well this is from China, so that doesn't make any fucking sense. So it comes with 2 ends, and the point of this is it's kind of like a stamp, so you stamp on the actual cat eye wing part of the eyeliner, and then you just fill in the rest with the regular eyeliner. I mean, I can do a decent wing, but I mean, if there's something that can make it easier, I'm willing to try. So that is just the regular eyeliner part there. And then here is like the little tip. It's like a little triangle wedge tip. We're gonna try it out. Okay, so I was just looking back in my order history because I was trying to figure out which item I was missing. So the one that I ordered that I didn't end up receiving was like a liquid eyeshadow, then it's basically just shimmery. I was excited to try that, so I'm kind of bummed that that one never came. So for now, let's just see how this makeup plays out, and then I will let you know if it's even worth buying anything from the Wish makeup category. First thing I'm going to start with, I'm going to try to make like a cohesive look out of this. Obviously, with no actual face products, I'm just basically going to be doing eyes and lips. So I'm going to start with this palette. I'm sure you don't give a shit what shade I'm using. It's not even going to necessarily look nice. It's just going to be me fucking around. Okay, not horrible. Take everything I say with a grain of salt, because I don't really know how to do makeup. Also, I'm pretty lazy, so I'm just going to be using this brush they gave me, and it has all like the neutral kind of shades that you could want for just doing some basic makeup. Like, wow, I look like I'm bruised. Well, I just dirtied this brush with a bunch of brown shades. Now I'm going to try some of the white. Okay, so I kind of went and finished my look, if you will. As you can see, the fallout on this. Then again, maybe I just didn't tap off very much. I mean, I did get all of the skills I have in makeup from Tana Mojo videos, so it's honestly not the worst eyeshadow. Like, it's pretty pigmented, it gets the job done, and then on this side I tried to just do like a very neutral, basic, everyday, like no makeup kind of look, just to see how it would go with like the very plain colors. So both eyes are different, don't mind that. I'm gonna move on to the next. I'm sorry the light is all gone, like the sun goes down at like 4:30 nowadays. Anyway, I'm gonna try out this eyeliner stamp. I'll try it on this side so you guys can see. Okay, so that actually kind of worked. Like, that is a wing. Okay, so that actually worked. Like, that's a pretty decent wing, would you not say? And it took me like literally like less than a minute. Even if I only get a couple uses out of this, it's still worth the $1, you know? This is definitely a win. Ooh, this mascara, the wand is kind of like a plasticky wand, and that's the kind that I like. I'm just gonna go ahead here and put on one coat. Okay, wow, so my camera died, my memory card got full, and the sun went down, so I got a light. Anyway, so this is kind of what the eye look looks like with one layer of mascara. I didn't do a lot. I actually don't mind the mascara. I like plastic applicators because they kind of help separate my lashes a little better, so I do like what it did. For $1, I would say that's pretty good. I'm going to do one eye with just this liquid shimmery eyeliner. Okay, I like that, and I do have one, like I said, that I already use, and I can now replace it with this when it runs out, which is going to be very soon. It's like quite old, so this is something I will definitely use in the future. I'm going to finish out with this lipstick. I'm going to attempt to do the lip liner. I've never done it before, so we shall see. I don't know if it's just me or if this just literally doesn't work. Like, I don't know, maybe it's too light of a shade, but that is not working. So I'm just going to try the lipstick. Doesn't help that my lips are dry as the desert. So I'm not really a fan of the lipstick. So update, I might have broke the red. I'm going to try, put it on over this, and even see if it's worth keeping. Otherwise I'll just toss it. Okay, I like that better than the other one, but I'm still not a huge fan. So the fact that I broke this and I don't really like it, I might just toss it. I'm kind of more a fan of like tinted lip balms, like the tinted Baby Lips or maybe the Burt's Bees kind. They actually moisturize better. I don't find that lipstick does a lot for me. Can't really see myself using this, but it was worth a try. So overall, I will say that these weren't bad for $1. I did really like the eyeliner. Other than that, I really like that shimmery silver liquid eyeliner. It will definitely be added to my very small makeup collection that I have. And the mascara wasn't horrible. It is like a very basic, you know, maybe just like an everyday look, something that I would wear possibly because I don't really wear a lot of makeup. Aside from that, the eyeshadow was decent. I'll keep it around, see how it goes. And the lipstick, yeah, I can't say that I'm a fan. So overall, I would say Wish is one of those things Just do it for fun, don't expect very much, and you will get something a little bit like this out of it. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. Please go comment below how horrible I am at doing makeup, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.